Are you struggling to add the downloaded audio to your CapCut project? Don't worry, I have got you covered. I'll be showing you how to add the downloaded audio to your video in CapCut in a super simple way. Now let's dive right into it. Import your video. Drag the video to the timeline like this. Now make sure the audio is saved in the location you can easily access. Go to import and select the audio you want to add. Now drag it to the timeline like this. Split it like this and delete the unwanted section like this. Now position the audio clip where you want it to play in relation to your video footage like this. Trim the audio clip by dragging its edges on the timeline like this. Now use the audio editing tools to adjust its volume. From here, we can adjust its volume from here. Add fade in or fade out from here. You can also add the voice changer from here. You can change the speech to sound like this. It may take some time to convert your speech to sound. Once you have done it, play a video to ensure the audio is perfectly adjusted. Once satisfied, click on the export button right here. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.